Hi, welcome to Julia's Broderie. Today I'm going to show you how to do a stem stitch. As always, I've tied a knot in the end of my thread and I have 2 strands of floss. So this is a stem stitch. You come up at the bottom, just like you do for many stitches. You're going to start by just making a simple straight stitch. So come up at the bottom and make a stitch. And then you're going to come up again the same distance apart above that first stitch. But instead of making another stitch, you're going to come back and go under that first stitch that you made. And then again, you're going to come up and go under. Sort of in the middle of it is where I like to do it. There are different ways of doing this stitch I've seen, but this is my preferred method. So you're going to come up, it's about halfway, I guess, above the stitch that you've made. I mean half the size of the initial stitch that you make. And then you're going to come down like that. So it's a really nice, neat stitch that looks really lovely for tree trunks and obviously stems of flowers. It's very versatile. It's one of my favorites. So you're just coming up and down in the middle of the previous stitch. And just continue all the way till you get to the end of your design. Up, down underneath the previous stitch. And see how it sort of makes a nice little twisty pattern. And it covers up the previous stitch that you just did. Make sure to stay under it and not come out. And one other thing to note is you always keep going on the same side. Don't go under on the opposite side. So if you started going under from the right, then you must do that the whole way along. Or you can also go the other way, but just don't switch back and forth. When you start doing it, always go from the same side each time. And there you have it.